First off, the ice cream. Scoop approximately 1 quart of ice cream into round balls using an ice cream scoop and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Freeze these until they're very firm, at least 2 hours, but overnight is even better. Meanwhile, it's time to make the churro dough. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine 1 cup of water, a half cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Bring this mixture to a boil and then remove from stir in 1½ cups of the all-purpose flour until the mixture forms a ball. Let this dough cool slightly. It'll be easier to handle that way. Take the ice cream balls out of the freezer and swiftly envelop each one with about a 1/4 cup of the churro dough. Ensure that the ice cream is entirely coated. Return them to the freezer for another hour or until the dough is firm. When you're prepared to serve, pour about 2 liters of oil into a deep fryer or large pot and heat it to 375 degrees. Take 1 ball at a time and fry the churro-coated ice cream balls until they turn golden brown, which usually takes around 30 to 45 seconds. Make use of a slotted spoon to extract them from the oil. Immediately after, roll them in about half a cup of cinnamon sugar. Serve these fried churro ice cream balls immediately while they're warm on the outside and cold on the inside. For each serving, you will need about 2 scoops of ice cream and about a 1/4 cup of churro dough. For an extra dose of decadence, drizzle them with chocolate sauce and add a dollop of whipped cream. A quick tip: the key to success is keeping the ice cream cold as possible throughout the process. Work in batches if necessary to prevent the ice cream from melting. And remember, this recipe is all about creativity. Feel free to experiment with different ice cream flavors or add-ins to the churro dough, like chocolate chips or a dash of vanilla extract. My recipes are always in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Magnolia Moon is on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. So join us on this culinary journey and let's make delicious happen.